Hi, friends. Are you ready to join our fruity friends on a silly, spooky parade? Let's see who's dressed up in their Halloween costume. Can you guess what fruit comes next? Here comes Apple, but wait, she's wearing a pointy hat and flying on something. Is that a broom? Apple the witch goes swish, swish, swoop, flying in the sky with her fruity troop. Her hat is black and her robe is red, with shiny apples on her head. Can you say which? Great job! And what color was her robe? Red! Banana Mummy. Uh-oh, what's all wrapped up? It's a yellow fruit, it's long, it's banana dressed as a mummy. Banana the mummy goes wiggle and giggle, wrapped in white with a Halloween jiggle. He loves to dance and shout boo-hoo, but he's too sweet to scare you. Let's wiggle like a mummy. Can you dance like banana? Look at that tiny vampire with a purple cape. Who do you think it is? Grape the vampire with tiny fangs, flies through the night and never bangs. He drinks grape juice, not a bite, and smiles in the moonlight. Don't worry, this vampire is super nice. Can you say vampire? And what color is grape? Purple! This friend walks funny, arms out, slow steps. It's Lemon the zombie. Lemon the zombie walks away with sour candy and a lemony scream. He's not scary, just full of zest, in a spooky suit and yellow vest. Can you walk like a zombie? Let's try together. Boo! Did orange scare you? Just kidding. Orange is the friendliest ghost ever. Orange the ghost floats here and there with big round eyes and orange hair. He glows at night and plays with you, saying boo-hoo-hoo, then laughs too. Can you say boo like orange? 1, 2, 3, boo! Fruity friends are here to play in costumes cool for Halloween day. We laugh, we sing, we jump and cheer. It's the fruity, spookiest time of year. Great job, little friends! Now can you name all the fruits we saw? Let's say them together. Apple, banana, grape,